Hello, hopefully you're still fine. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. This is a charm with Valley. Today, as I promised in the first video, I'll be taking you through various Google applications, and today I'm taking you through Google Contacts. And for that matter, Google Contacts is a Google management tool that integrates with the other services such as the Google and the Google Calendar. Particularly that, and it has various features such as security and privacy, then integration. That is what it can help us to do, and I will be taking you through that. When you open your browser and you want to find the Google application, which is the Google Contacts, you come to the top corner here, and you see these dots. As you can see down here, it is showing us that the Google apps. You click on it, then there are various Google apps here. There is account, search, maps, and so on. YouTube, Meet, charts, calendar. There are very many, but in particular we are here today to look about the Google Contacts. As you have seen, have clicked on the Google Contacts. If you have some contacts saved on your Gmail, you will see them on the Google Contacts. And for that matter, these are the contacts. As you can see, for me, I have 16 contacts in my Google Contacts. And here, if you want to create, you can click on it. It shows you here that add contact. It shows choose picture. If you want to put a profile pic, it shows you here that choose picture. Then when you come here, you write the first name. For example, if your name is a charm, you can write it here. The name of the person you want, to save the contact, you can write the person's name. And as you scroll downwards, there are various details: country, job detail, email. Then here now you come and enter the contact. Here you come and enter the contact. If the person has two contacts, you enter one here, you enter the other here. That is how you can add the person. If you know the person's date of birth and anything you want to note about the person, you can do it from here. That is what create contact or add new contact can do. And when you click on contacts, it says here I have clicked on mine, and it is showing me that I have unsaved changes. For that matter, you have to first of all click on what? Click on save. That's when it will take you to contacts. Now it's showing I have 17 contacts on my Google Contacts. Then here it shows other contacts, then fix and manage, and here it shows us that the labels. For example, if you have, like if you want to label this, For me, I have here Aunt Margaret. I click on it and it gives me options. Here is manage the label. I have already labeled Aunt Margaret as family. Okay, we can go back to the contacts and we choose the person who has not been labeled. For example, this one is Clay. And here you can write an email to that person. You can schedule with that person. Then you can chat with the person. If it is video, you can do it from here. And here you want to label. Label meaning simply you will be grouping people in particular. You want to group your members, your family members alone. You want to group your friends alone. You come here on the label. Then you click on the label. It gives you option. Do you want to give that person a label or group that person into your family members or friend? Otherwise, if it's your workmate, you can put here. You put here workmate. Sorry about that. You can put here workmate. Then you do what? You save it. Meaning you have given this person a label as what? Workmate. That is what Google Contacts can help you do. And if you want to edit your contacts, you can do it from here. Okay, we're talking about the labels. As you can see, if you want to delete the labels, you can delete. If you want to rename the label, you can rename it. And here, if you want to trash it, you can trash as well. That is mainly what Google does for us. And in the case of loss of your current weather phone, provided you have saved the numbers to your Google Contacts, any phone or any new device you'll get, then you enter your email address into that new phone, or you log into your Gmail. You log in that phone using your Gmail. The contacts will appear automatically. So I encourage you and each and everyone, if possible, you could use Google Contacts to secure your contacts for anything to happen. And I wish you well. That is where we can stop today in the Google Contacts. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. I would like to end here. Thank you very much for listening. Have a nice time.